Hi, it's Brooke with WTI.
And are you looking for a buffet cabinet that is made from wood and it's solid, durable, and it won't just look pretty but be so practical? Well, this one here is by From the Tree Furniture. And I really appreciate that I can store my appliances that are huge on the inside. Plus, it's very sturdy on the inside as well with a nice wood pine shelf. I like that the top has that natural look with this pine wood, and you can see the natural finish in the grain, but that is complemented so well with the white finish that is the wood underneath that's also made from pine, and it gives it a very warm but also clean, inviting look. This really is great for high traffic areas because I can use it and open this door and put tons of things in there and hide all this clutter, but I need it accessible. The hinges are strong, durable, and I can keep using this, and it's really easy to keep clean. The top, I can wipe off the coffee spills, and it looks so great. So this is something that not only keeps looking great, but it is really well made. I also think this would be wonderful like in the entryway or even right in the kitchen. This also was easy for me to put together. The instructions were not complicated. And once I did put it together, I could really tell that my house felt so loving and warm.
I love it, but that's just my point of view.